Every day, all around the world, people suffer and die from treatable, curable, preventable diseases because they don't have access to even the most basic medical care.
Malaria is certainly on the increase. Tuberculosis, people with HIV, people with major injuries cannot get into a hospital. They literally walk for 2 or 3 days to get there, and they're too sick, so they end up dying from diseases that can be treatable. You also do not want people that are infected to be traveling from one community to another, spreading the disease.
Some humanitarian organizations have tried bringing treatment to those communities, but limited transportation and lack of supplies often prevent doctors from helping.
We had 4 or 5 groups that were working in Africa that were using motorized clinics, and the clinics were costing $250,000. Once they got in country, they were not holding together. They'd last anywhere from a couple of weeks to a month. And they needed a very strong, durable unit that could withstand the road conditions and provide community-based health care.
Enter Gleaning for the World and a solution, the mobile medical clinic.
It took us about 5 years to find a component that was strong enough, would hold together, and that we knew that when we put the unit in the field, it was not going to break apart.
Reverend Ron Davidson and a team of engineers designed the MMC to be customizable and capable of supporting the operations of a medical clinic for up to 1 year. The MMC can hold up to 60 gallons of water, store 1 day's worth of supplies, run its own electricity, and be transported to just about anywhere. This clinic is designed to be pulled behind a half-ton pickup truck, rapidly deployable, completely serviceable in a short amount of time, and able to move from one site to another very quickly. The MMC's custom configuration allows physicians to treat patients on site, wherever they are. It's an insulated, climate-controlled, very sterile environment to provide just about any kind of medical treatment, from first aid to major operations. Locking devices are embedded into each wall to provide a better seal. Polyurethane foam, high-valued insulation, is injected in the walls to provide superior insulation, a quiet environment, and controlled temperatures. Power is supplied by a generator which runs the heating and cooling systems, a water heater, and pumps water to the sink. The trailer can be quickly hooked up to a pickup truck. With a dual-axle, reinforced frame, and breakaway emergency brake, the MMC is designed to hold up to travel on rough roads. With 18 to 24 inches of ground clearance and armored tires, the MMC can travel in places where roads have been destroyed or are non-existent. With optional equipment, the MMC can even be transported by helicopter.
It can be used in areas like Katrina, where road conditions were not the best and you needed something very durable to be able to get in and provide care to the people. We have another group that is considering using it for inner-city hospital work so that they could take prenatal and postnatal care out into the community here in the United States and major cities.
Gleaning has already placed a MMC in the Appalachia region in the U.S. You could also find this clinic in Peru, Mozambique, Kenya, and South Africa. Whether used in the U.S. or overseas, the MMC can serve a variety of purposes, from medical care to food service to education.
With community-based health care, you've got the opportunity to go where a person lives, be around their kin people, and literally teach them how to be healthy before they get sick.
Gleaning for the World also provides medical supplies to stock the MMC, making it fully turnkey clinic.
Poor people, impoverished people deserve medical care. They deserve food. They deserve a chance for their children to be able to live. To know that one clinic and several containers of medical supplies can care for 30,000 to 40,000 people is unbelievable. Gleaning for the World is all about people that are impoverished and trying to save their life and give them a chance to live. This is an instrument that can do that.
To learn more about the mobile medical contact Gleaning for the World at 1-877-913-9212 or visit our website at www.gftw.org.